Razorblade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
Alright, Tyrone, so I'm happy you can come short notice. Please me a beg you. Just don't give him no sweetie.
I'm not give him no sweetie.
Make sure him drink water, make sure him take him nap on time, and make sure you feed him. Alright?
Bye, Mama.
Give me a kiss, baby. Love ya.
Love you.
Behave yourself here. Alright.
Here what going now? Coming in a bag of long talking there. Two away are two big man. See? I know you don't like me. I mean, you also can't tell us I don't like you because I like you, man. Alright. But, here what me? I gotta just give a few things and you just bail. Nobody with the bag of knives, nobody with the bag of trouble. See? You gotta behave yourself. Come on, just, yeah, man. The mother said enough to give you a sweetie, but your mother didn't know what, man. Let's take you out of this. Well, give me one of the sweetie. It's easy.
What you doing? Yo! You're trying to kill me, are you? Yo.
Close your eyes, man.
Happy babe.
Bitch. Who brought my TV?
Him.
The one little time I asked my babysitter brought my TV. Come on, just come out. Come on, come and see you not capable of babysitting my child. What's wrong with you? Come here, my baby. Him not hurt you.
Yeah?
When do you?
He might try to beat me up.
Him try to beat you?
Don't come back here. I'm your wicked son.
Take with Andra. Or go up to the door. Seal it. Take with
Make a beat up any of them that. Where does do?
Me not know.
After she said action, never start here.
Start recording before.
3, 2, action.
Come here, baby. Him not hurt you or nothing.
No? Yeah?
When do?
I'm trying to beat me up.